The first 3 days were flat, but the contest was on hold till 3 in the afternoon, which could be mentally challenging. To stay positive, the women keep active and occupied.
Then listen to me, s'il vous plaît ma chérie, allez tomber la chemise.
After 3 lay days, on day 4, both surfers surfed their way through to round 4 in a small but building swell.
Everyone has fun, but yeah, the waves are really
second skirt going
tricky.
through.
Do it now because you can.
I got a couple of fives.
You can, and I told you to.
I've had a new board out there.
With a big messy swell arriving on day 5 of the competition, both Beck and Paige are eliminated in round 4.
As the contest winds up, Sally is eliminated in the quarters, leaving Steph in the box seat to win the world title race if she wins the competition, and that she does. That's another event done.
That's another event done.
I'm still in equal 10th.
I'm still in equal 10th.
It's going to be cutthroat.
And the beef stakes are high.
At the last World Tour event,
At the last World Tour event,
the US Open,